Today we're going to be showing you how to make black-eyed pea soup in one pot, pressure cooker version, gluten-free vegan. So let's get into the video.
We're going to put in 48 ounces of water.
Or 1,360 grams of water.
And then we're putting in 1 cup of dried black-eyed peas.
Which is equal to 140 grams worth. Linked in the video description.
Then we're putting in
140 gram
yellow onion. This is a medium-sized onion.
And it's about 1 cup worth.
This is
790 grams
of tomato product of your choice.
I generally go with organic because then they tend to be less metallic-y. This is a really good brand. I'll have this in the video description, along with some other options that I like.
This is 1 tablespoon.
Or 14 grams.
Curry paste. It'll be linked in the video description.
For the curry paste we use.
This is 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon.
Or 6 grams. Paste that turns into vegetable broth. That's what the water's for. Along with hydrating the beans.
I am just mixing the paste into the soup. I'm gonna give it a final stir. And then I'm gonna put the lid on. And we're hitting soup.
Or wherever setting is for on your pressure cooker. On our pressure cooker, you have to make sure that the nozzle is in the locked position.
It has to be in a locked position or this won't work.
It's the same thing as an Instant Pot. So if you have one of those.
Hitting soup, and then we're hitting on.
We'll see you in after it's all done, and to put all the rest of the ingredients in. Stay tuned to find out what the things you need for to finish it off the soup and how to make it amazing. Okay, so we're back, and now we're gonna release it. Make sure you use a towel or something to keep your hands nice and safe because steam is even hotter than boiling water. It is this hot. You can also use oven mitts. I have my favorite oven mitts linked in the video description.
Okay.
Now the little red release has calmed down, so now it's safe to open it and it'll allow you to open. Just like most pressure cookers, like the Instant Pot.
So this won't allow you to open unless it's safe and unlocked, and then it comes off.
Be careful, there's a little water generally in the inside of the lid, and so that it gets really hot.
Okay, so now we're going to put in
135 grams of raw kale, chopped.
We're putting in 1 cup of corn.
165 grams of corn.
And then this is 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast.
Or 20 grams of nutritional yeast.
And so we're just gonna give it a good stir and wait a couple moments because then the kale will steam and kale will start breaking down. It's already breaking down now, so it won't be
as tough.
It'll be nice and in the soup, and so.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like it if you liked it because it really does help. And I'll see you in the next video.